Hello everyone, welcome back to my live trading today. Hi Jetty, hi Neil, hi Sunny, hi Sudesh. You guys know on time. 1 hour later we will have core PC price index month over month gonna be released. So this week you see that there's a lot of news that support for USD, right? So that is why gold is facing with selling pressure, for a recent day. Anyway, that's in RSI, Rally Strength Index. It also indicates as gold is overbought, overbought area. You see that the distance from the above candle to EMA 34 below here, according to daily time frame, is kind of far, right? It's kind of far, and after day, for a few days later, from Wednesday until now, Wednesday is the is the day that's starting for positive news for USD, and this is causing the short-term adjustment. Short-term adjustment of gold is look like accumulating for a while before it's heading to the current trend. So I believe that buyers, a lot of traders is still waiting for good entry zone to set in, jump in the market. Because you know that they cannot buy with any high price. As the big players, they need to make bargains to the market and wait for the good position to get in. And now it's like the time for them to release the goods. If you trade stocks, you will understand. After a few months moving sideways, accumulate is breakout and heading to a very high level up to now. More than $300 increase already, according to daily time frame. Okay. In 1 hour chart, let's see. Today Asian session, gold increased steadily. Very powerful uptrend occur, isn't it? Tuesday, this one Tuesday. Sorry, this was from Tuesday. Sorry. Yes, and from Thursday. Yesterday London session until now, gold is just moving sideways in a range that the upper range, upper border is 37.51. 37.62, and the lower border is 37.22. So around $40 distance. And you also will see that is moving. Now it's gaining to the trend line, heading to this. It's getting narrowed, and just break out for the upper trend line. Okay, let me change into black to help you see it clearly. Okay. So the trend line I draw according to my gold trading plan this morning in the early Asian session is retest, and now heading back again. Okay, another factor is that the below EMA 34 is a dynamic support for the current price zone. Okay, remember, an hour later we will have core PCE today. So if you want to trade, lower your trading volume or close all trades before the news release. Okay, to avoid any mistake. And this is the resistance area we need to pay attention. And core PCE actually is not too much important news that the market will react. Yeah, of course it will have volatility, but the range is not huge like non-farm or GDP or interest rate from FOMC statement. Hello. Today I realized that they're just a familiar friends that joined my stream today. So anyone new, let me know if you are new to my stream today. I'm very happy that I receive a lot of concerns from beginners, new traders, and your friends. Yeah, you invite your friends join my stream. That's very happy. Okay, let me mark for you the specific price we need to pay attention to in today's New York session. Most of investors, traders will close the trade. For gold markets, they will close on trade, and even they don't trade in on Friday. Yeah, just to make sure that their money is safe until next Monday. Actually, that today is not big, have a high volatility at all. It's moving in a narrow range and just break out, yeah, the upper trend line, and heading to the current resistance zone at 37.60. Okay, so let's wait for the market's reaction so that I will arrange any scalping signal if it's available. Recently, that when I start to stream, the market did not support me, especially for this week, right? We do not have any real-time trading signal together, so it's gonna be pity for everyone and for me as well. Yeah, I realized that when we have real-time trading signals together, it's become more noisy. Yeah, it's noisier and the atmosphere is crowded. Yeah, rock and roll. Oh, of course not. Why are you talking like that? Of course that if I receive the concern from a new person, new people, and for the own client, it's not clients at all. All are my friends. Okay, all are my friends, not clients. And I'm your fellow to be with you in this severe market. Okay, not client here, just friends. Friends with friends. Okay. So your comment is getting easily to misunderstand, Mustak. And the lower zone we will pay attention to today. Yeah, you see that's the point, the level I mark for you is connection between the candle wicks and the lower trend line. At least we need to identify the market range, the price range first, so that we will consider for the smaller action. Yeah, the further action in the smaller time frame. Background change into blue to distinguish between support and resistance. Okay, beautiful. I love to draw my chart like this. Yeah, is this the same like you? Do you love draw your chart to identify the resistance or support zone like this? Okay, in the 4-hour time frame, it's forming a bearish candle, but have a very long lower wick. Yeah, long lower wick here. Hi SB, hi Gong Scalper, hi Heart. So let's have a quick look. Yeah, a brief analysis relating to fundamental analysis today. For the red news, we have core PCE price index, and for the orange news, we have revised UOM consumer sentiment. And today is a good. This week is good day for USD, right? For GDP, final GDP quarter over quarter is increased. Actually, that it. Oh, sorry, unemployment claims is decreased, and for final GDP quarter over quarter is increased. Yeah, 0.5%, and it just a slightly change, right? A slightly increase for GDP, but it is also significantly for the effort of the government, especially Mr. President Donald Trump, in controlling his country. So it's not a big distance at all. Discrepancy is not a big discrepancy at all. So gold price just moving in a narrow range. Yeah, and the distance for the price range is just around $20 at most. A few minutes later, that this candle, 1 hour candle, will close, and let's see that it's gonna break the level at 37.55 or not. Okay, we will see this in a smaller time frame easily, because this range is always it's already react 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it's 7. Yeah, 7 time. 6 time already react as this area and cannot break out strongly. So you can see that the level 37.54 to 55 is kind of strong resistance level. We need to take a look in today's New York session. So more time is react, the easier it's gonna be break. It's gonna be broken. Sorry. Oh dear, how can I change? Okay, the border change to red. Yes. Okay, so I believe this time it can break out from this level significantly, because here you see in a 15-minute time frame there is a crossover of EMA 200 and EMA 89, and after that there is a very powerful bullish candle. Yeah, and the body closed significantly higher than the below level of the cross point. Yeah, or the crossover point of 2 EMA. So it also indicates that the buyers come back and dominating the market. So it's gonna be likely more chance that this level, resistance level 37.54, will be break out significantly. And this is just my personal analysis. Okay, so that's why I do not set up any scalping signal at the moment, because we need to observe the market and wait for confirmation. Okay, wait for confirmation. And even though that there are 3 consecutive bullish candle, but the appearance is kind of weird because the body of white soldier pattern. Yeah, this lesson I just shared with you, share with my VAB members an hour ago. Yeah, the shape of three soldier white soldier signal must be having the 3 consecutive bullish candle, but its body must be similar, even though it's forming higher highs. But the candle, yeah, the second candle having 2 large body, you know. So this is a not usual signal for me to confirm any buy entry after that, after the third candle close. Okay, so it's not always that when we see 3 consecutive bullish candle, we can confidently enter the buy trade immediately after that. Anyway, that if we look closely, that we will understand this is the price range and the market is just moving sideways. It's not a clear trend at all. And this is the signal that for the market is trapping us. You will see it will prove you for this upcoming 15-minute candle. Let's see how is it going to be formed. Hi Cameron. Oh, there's a lot of comments were deleted by the night bot. Okay, I don't know that you contain any forbidden keyword or something like that the bot keep on deleted. Okay, could you please type again so I will take a look quickly. Hi Bear, how are you doing? Long time no see you. Yeah, this Wednesday I had a some business that I cannot online and stream with you. But anyway, that I hope that in my stream today, together we will have a scalping signal and gain profit together. And it's also required for the market situations as well. Hi Joker, hi NK. Okay, Cameron, I'm waiting. Hi Vivek. Wow, there's a lot of hearts. Thank you, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe me on YouTube. Yeah, to receive the schedule when I start to stream. Oh yeah, just fine. I just started recently, so there's not any scalping signal at the moment. So take your time. Hi Vivek. Yeah, what do you want to talk with me? Feel free to leave your comment in the chat box. Now I'm looking at the chat box and I hope that I can read faster than the speed of deleting from the night bot. Hi PJ. Hi beautiful alive. Wow. For gold to go down sharply. Anyway, that it just break out from the 1 hour trend line, the upper trend line I draw in a 1 hour chart. So this is the market is want to tell us that the buyers is coming back gradually, and we need to observe the level that I draw for you on the chart 37.54. We need to see it's gonna be break for this level or not. If it's break out strongly, it will heading to the higher level like 37.60. But 1 hour later, nearly 1 hour later, we will have core PCE month over month. That's released this week. Yeah, this is the last news of today, of this week. Okay, so just trade safely, lower your trading volume, and protect your capital and your profit earning for the whole week. Okay, are you gonna be together until news today? Unfortunately, I just have 1 hour to stream with you, and after that I need to focus back on my VIP signal group. And if you want to see me again, welcome to my VIP signal group to receive more and more qualified scalping signal from Golden Girl. Hi, Beauty Alive. You can send me direct message on Telegram and I can instruct you how to join in. You find this username NovaScalper86 and send me direct message. And the fee is very affordable. Yeah, just less than $50 a month. You will receive more than 10 signal a day. Okay, more than 10 signal a day. And on your left side, okay, on your right side or the corner, you will see my summary numbers. That's from the winning points, winning pips that I gain in both VIP signal group. I have two types of VIP signal groups. One is focused on currency pairs, which I usually call Forex, and one focused on gold market only. Hi, Memor. Okay, so sadly to read this comment. Like always share with you that the markets do not prefer for anyone want to become rich in a short time. If you follow me long enough, you will realize that how's the markets going and how is my qualified scalping signal. I have a proof for any scalping signal I in. Okay, and for the profit I show you is always public on the VIP signal group. So I also instruct you how to enter the trade and how to proceed your trade. So if you do not follow like I instruct you, so it's not my fault at all. Yeah, I'm still receive payments from Skrill at the moment. It's still okay because I still receive the payments from friends. Yeah, from my friends recently. I will still try. Okay, so if you have any question, feel free to ask me. Yeah, I will try to answer as long as I know I understand. Okay. Binance transfers available. Yeah, I receive USDT as well. Yeah, USDT payment. So this is a two common payment method that I usually use it. Okay, Visa account is not acceptable. So thank you so much for your understanding. Thank you, Beauty Alive, and I'm looking forward to receive your message. Okay. Do you have copy trade in your group? Copy trade is not recommended. It's not recommended. Okay, this is not safe, and some countries is illegal. Yeah, it is. Because you know that I have friends all over the world, so I don't know which country you are from. So it's easily to concern to laws or legals. I'm so scared about this. So my mission is just sharing, just be a consultant about the scalping signal for all of you, and I share my experience and also my how to say my understanding about the market, a lesson I will share with you. Okay, just do it traditionally and control your market, control your wallet by yourself. Do not let anyone do it. Yeah, to be honest, this is my honest sharing for you, and of course for other group, other communities, they will have this service. Yeah, obviously they will have, but in my bottom of my heart that I do not recommend you to enter any copy trading things. Yeah, because you don't know, just one day, if even though that you win 100 times, But one day, only one day, you challenge and revenge the market, all your achievement will be washed away. It is. That is the market. That is this market. Thank you so much for listening to me. Yeah, this is all thing I already experienced for this in the beginning when I just start become a trader, like you, like everyone else. Like I receive a lot of sweet invitations for this because they guarantee for big profit rate, you know, multiple many times my account, my trading account. But yes, everything I've been through. So yeah, just be traditional trader. It is. And for the knowledge, I will help you, yeah, to share the lesson through my videos uploading my YouTube channel. And if you join my VIP signal group, you will have the private lesson, private lesson live stream with me, and it happens every Friday. Okay, I will share with you from a basic to advanced knowledge. Not only scalping signal you will receive, but also knowledge and my experience trading. I will share all with you. Okay. Yeah, copy trading is putting your money in someone's hands, and we shouldn't do that, right? Because we don't know when they hold it or when they throw it, because that is not their money, right? Just through a bot. A bot has no mind. We have mind and brain, and the bot didn't. Wow, thank you, Mohammed. Wow, this is a wow, lovely comments. Beautiful. Thank you so much for your positive feedback. Yeah, this is my biggest motivation. Yeah, that helped me developing my community, getting better every day. Okay, thank you so much. And yeah, let's looking back the chart. You see that it's not always after a 3 consecutive bullish candle. It will call a white soldier patterns, right? Because there is a unusual from a second candle, and now it start dropping again. So this is a false signal. If you enter any buy entry after the third candle close. Okay. Obviously that the market is just moving sideways actually. Yeah. If you see in the big time frame. Oh. Okay. The big time frame is just moving slowly. Yeah, and 37.54 level is still considered a very strong resistance so far. Okay. In my VIP signal group that I have a pending order. And if you have a same point of view with me, you can set the limit order to this signal. Oh, sorry, not this one. Hang on a second. Sorry, not this one. I copied wrong. Maybe this will become our entry zone for today trading news. $38 to 36. Okay, this is where we set this buy signal. Support zone. This is where a engulfing candle. Yeah, this is a very engulfing candle that's starting for the current uptrend. Recover of gold price, and this candle is formed in today London session. Yeah. In the Asian session. Yeah, in the early Asian session. Okay, so if you have the same point of view with me, you can set the limit order for this signal. And all the signal will be only valid after the New York session end. Okay, valid within a day. Another advice from me for you is delete all the pending orders and close on the active trading. Yeah, take profit, put money into your pocket and wait for the next week to coming back to fight with the market. And about 30 minutes later, the PC news will be released. Okay. You see that the price is moving in a narrow range. It's like a spring. It's waiting for a big force. And we don't know which direction it's gonna be, right? So now I'm still waiting for the below buy zone. Yeah, at 38 to 36 to be active. After 30 pips, need to take profit. Yeah, close apart of the trade is getting better, because if you close total the trade, if price keep on heading up and gain more profit, more pips, you will be pity, you will be regret, right? And if the trade is gaining around 100 pips, you will miss the rest profit. Okay, learn how to close apart. And I also prepare a video when you trade with your mobile phone, yeah, by using MT5. Now I'm using MT5 and MT4 to trade, and I prepare a video how to close a part of your trade on MT5 platforms. And if you want to receive it, you can send me direct message and I will send it to you. Yeah, 50% close. It depends to your choice. Yeah, but we should close apart. What about break even? Break even is just protect your capital. Okay, and it also have the same meaning that you need to accept that you will have more chance to close the trade, because just you already moved the stop loss to your entry zone. So you will have a higher chance to out of the game, like other who accept more risk. Yeah, so this is just my advice. If you want to trade safely, you can set the break even. And if you want to risk it a bit, you can move stop loss to minus 30 pips. Yeah, minus 30 pips to hold the part of the trade. And if the signal already gained like 50 pips, yeah, already gained 50 pips profit, you can move to entry zone, stop loss to entry zone, or plus 20 pips profit. Okay, do you get it? Yeah, that thing will help you to make sure that your trading result is getting better. But you need to accept that the chance, the probability you will out of the game. Yeah, everything has its value. Well, we need to pay cost for own decision, right? Like opportunity cost. Yeah, opportunity cost. Yeah, it is normally take break even and run back. So if you accept the risk is you still in the game, you still want in the game, you can move your stop loss to minus 30 pips. Yeah, instead of setting break even. Okay, that is for anyone who want to be risk with the market. Yeah, that is trading. Yeah, this is probability. And anyone want to trade safely, you can set break even. It's fine. Yeah, 30 pips profit is okay for you. And your capital is protected. Yeah, thank you so much for listening to me. And I was still waiting for you to join my VIP signal group. Okay, and the next candle that's forming. Okay, so another bullish candle is gaining and destroy the bearish momentum, right? Okay, so we need to wait for a while because now we just like standing in a intersection. We don't know which way the price will go, so it's better to wait any confirmation. Okay, someone will let us know which way we should follow. Yeah, sometimes that just standing still, it will help you protect your money. No need to do anything. Yeah, that's just trading. You know that for a day I observe my chart more than 14 hours a day, observing the chart moving 14 hours a day. Not only gold but also for currency pairs. Yeah, for the Forex VIP signal group, and for other crypto like BTC or ETH recently. I realized that all had the same rule. Yeah, we need to be patient and wait for the confirmation from the market that will help us to reduce our losing rate at the most time, most percentage. Yeah. And when some days the markets have clearer trend, like uptrend, very strong uptrend, and we need to understand and capitalize all movement of the market to make money. And I still impressed last month. Yeah, the market had very strong uptrend, and now it's time for the market take a break. Yeah, taking a break and waiting for the next explosion, and explode in the up way or down way, we don't know. Yeah, we need to wait for any confirmation signal from the chart. And if you don't have time, that is my mission. I will do that every single time, every single day for you. Yeah, every scalping signal I decide in my VIP signal group from a careful analysis. Okay, at least two conditions confluence together for one scalping signal. And for a day that you see I do not set up too many scalping signals, you will know that today the market is challenging and the sharks is waiting to eat us. And we are the shark bait. We're just small traders, tiny fish in the oceans, and always easily to become a shark bait in this market. So we need to be careful. Yeah, and if you can earn money quickly from this market in the beginning times that you enter the trade. It's just about luck, and if it is luck, you need to know how to keep it. Okay, and don't waste it because you will never get the second chance to be lucky like last time. Okay, So this market is the quick money in, quick money out. Yeah, and keeping money in this market is a incredible things actually. So that's why, that's my mission, sharing knowledge to you, sharing the qualified scalping signal. I only require you to prepare a basic knowledge, okay, basic knowledge for the trend line, for the resistance or support level zone, and for to understand the meaning of the candle: open price, close price, highest price, lowest price. Okay, the structure of a candle. That's the basic knowledge you need to learn. And the second thing is your capital, of course. And if you do not have enough money, at least $100, you can trade on your demo account. Okay, if you only have $100, you can open a real live trading account. Yeah, you're still able to open a live trading account and trade with micro lot. Okay, every trade, every scalping signal, every layers you are in, set the stop loss level. Okay, stop loss is the shield for your capital. It's not something that destroy your capital. It's the shield to protect the rest of your capital. Okay, and remember the last thing, to be disciplined and don't be greedy. The market only kill the one who greedy. It is. Yeah, and it's not a how to say, money come easily from this market at all. So yeah, when the market's moving sideways like this one more time, yeah, I just share with you my experience about the markets that I have been through since the day I joined in this market. Okay, so I hope that you do not be the same me, like the old times. Yeah, money is hard to make. Okay, and this is the job. And if we want to become a hardworking person, hardworking trader, we want to make money, we need to protect our money in advance. Hi Sharma, thank you so much for joining my stream today. At the moment, you can see on the chart there's a limit order buy gold at the entry zone 37, 38 to 37, 36. Yeah, and remember to stop loss level at 37, 32. And we're about to have the BCE news for a few minutes later. Yeah, near 15 minutes later. If the market is just moving in the narrow range like this, today I would like to end my stream soon. Yeah, because that I want to focus the signal in my VIP signal group one more time. And on my channel, I will update the result of the news and other economic data. Yeah, on my channel as well. Now 15 minutes we have news. Yeah, thank you so much for Sharma. Thank you for this positive feedback. I love you. Okay, any question that you want to ask me? Because now we're just looking at the reaction, yeah, of gold that is gonna hit to the current level. Because now it's better for us to wait. Don't do anything to protect our capital, because the red news of today, BCA news of today, is going to release around 15 minutes. Any question? Rejoin. Okay, hi, Dominator. Please send me a direct message again. Yeah, I will send you a link to for you to rejoin. Okay. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, no domain. Yeah, send me a direct message. I will instruct you how to rejoin it. So, any question else? Yeah, because today there's actually a lot of work I need to handle. Okay, so I guess that it's time to say goodbye, and I hope next week we will have another scalping signal to trade together. Okay, the market is internal, so we do not afraid to miss any opportunities. Yeah, it's internal, so no worries that next week we will see each other again, and yeah, make money with me. Actually, that's hi Mohammed. Now I'm open all my trading accounts. I'm open with Bull Prime. Yeah, Bull Prime. This is their name. If you are interested in this broker, send me direct message by finding the username Nova Scalper 86. Yeah, and I will send you the information for you to refer. All my trading accounts is opened with Bull Prime. Yeah, by Bull Prime broker at the moment. Okay, it's time to say goodbye and see you next time. Have a lovely weekend.